What's up guys, MKBHD here on SuperSaf TV.
Hey guys, this is Austin, and you're watching SuperSaf TV, where apparently I've taken over the channel to review the Apple event.
Yo guys, Jonathan here, coming at the SuperSaf channel.
Hi, I'm Michael Josh on SuperSaf TV.
What's up guys, Saf here on SuperSaf TV, and I'm here in New York for the Apple event. We've had lots of cool announcements, and let's go ahead and see what some of the other YouTubers think. I was probably most excited about the Mac Mini, but the iPad Pro is looking really good. Mac Mini, I feel like they've been long overdue for a refresh, but I think they kind of stole the show with the iPad Pro.
I'm pretty excited. I use the iPad a lot with the pencil, so a lot of these announcements today apply to me. I might not be that uber creative, but I am excited about the possibilities.
Got a couple new things. Mac Mini, long overdue. Glad to see it. New MacBook Air, also long overdue. Glad to see it. New iPad Pro. Holy amazeballs. A lot of great stuff. USB-C, Face ID, thinner bezels. I love it.
The first thing that I need from this event, iPad. So it's iPad Pros look so beautiful. 1 terabyte, yes please. USB-C, it's like the perfect iPad Pro right now. Like, what else do you need?
There's a lot of cool stuff at the show this year. I think the iPad Pros look really nice. It's a major upgrade, not only as far as the sort of the general hardware with the screen, but most more importantly, the actual addition of USB-C, and especially that new A12X chip. I mean, you can do some serious gaming, you can do some serious graphics performance. They showed some crazy Photoshop demos. It looks really cool. As far as I'm concerned, the Mac Mini and the MacBook Air is really where it's at. Those are the kind of things that actually I'm going to use on a daily basis.
Man, this has been fantastic so far. It's good seeing Saf, of course. The new iPad is insane. It's a smaller form factor, but more packed in. It's just, the whole thing's been incredible. And of course, as an Apple fan myself, this is exactly what I wanted. The shocking thing was the USB-C. I did not see that coming, but hey, it's a welcome addition, especially for power users. So really excited.
I think my wallet is going to be hurting A. Second, I was stoked about all things iPad that were announced. I was even more stoked that they're moving to USB-C. I'm a big fan, and I'm wondering if we'll see that in the iPhone, maybe down the line.
I love that there's USB Type-C. I hope to see that on the iPhone soon. I love how you can wirelessly charge your Apple Pencil and kind of stick it on top of your iPad. That's pretty cool as well. Of course, if you're a Mac user and have been waiting on that Mac Mini and MacBook Air update, that's there as well. So I'm pretty happy and excited overall.
Seeing USB-C on the iPad Pros kind of makes me wonder, are we going to see it on the phones next year? Because I feel like that's what everybody's been waiting for so long.
The highlight has to be the new iPad Pros, right? USB-C is going to be a game changer. I mean, not only can you charge other devices with it, you can go all the way out to a 5K display, but you also do have that A12X chip. And I think there's a lot of people who are going to underestimate just how powerful it is.
How far ahead the iPad Pro is, I guess, with any other tablet. Like, the Mac Mini's cool, but in terms of, I'm actually excited to use a tablet again, which I'm not normally excited for.
High key, it's the design. It's thin, it's light, but low key USB-C, because that means a lot coming from Apple. I did not think they were going to do it this early. I think now there's a chance of USB-C in maybe some other Apple devices that don't have it.
So there we have it, guys. Some interesting reactions. It seems like the iPad Pro is the big talking point here, especially the fact that it's got USB Type-C. That's personally my favorite feature as well. It opens up so many possibilities, and hopefully the new iPhone will also have USB Type-C. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then do hit that thumbs up button for me. And if you haven't already, then be sure to subscribe and switch on notifications. A big thanks to all my friends for getting involved in this video. I'm going to be linking to all the channels in the description below. Do go ahead and check them out. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time. Hey! Look who it is!
Is that good? Was that good? Yeah.
That was good.
Nailed it. First take wonder.
I feel like I'm too happy right now.
Much needed upgrade. Did I do your whole video yet or no?
Do I have to go? Should I elaborate why I like the iPad?
All right.
I don't know why I'm clapping, but I'm clapping.
And there we have it, guys. Those are the reactions from
It's okay?
New York. I love New York.
The fact that they threw. Sorry. Oh no! Hey, you're in the video now too.
We'll see at some point.